U.S. government declared SEC support against Ripple XRP. U.S. Representative Brad Sherman recently advised the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to go after crypto exchanges that supported Ripple's XRP token. However, in a recent interaction with Fox Business journalist Eleanor Tourette, Sherman made another claim against the token. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. In a tweet, Charles Gasparino, senior correspondent at Fox Business, mentioned that Brad Sherman believes the regulator will win the Ripple lawsuit over the legality of unregistered sales of XRP. He added he has been in contact with the SEC chair Gary Gensler to expand the case. Meanwhile, the U.S. representative responded to this and said that he often speaks to Gensler sometimes about crypto. However, he has never spoken about XRP. Sherman mentioned that the only conversation he had about the XRP token was the testimony of Director Gurbir Grewal. Eleanor Tourette clarified the senior correspondent's claim over the congressman. She highlighted that this statement about the crypto exchanges was mentioned at the hearing. Tourette in the interview asked Sherman why he thinks XRP is a security. He replied that for the reasons set forth in the commission's position. Meanwhile, he went on to explain that XRP holders and investors relied on Ripple's efforts to pump the price. Congressman added that the proof that he is right stems from the crypto exchanges delisting Ripple's token because they all accumulated that it was a security too. Tourette referred that the fact platforms were facing a lack of guidance from the commission. The congressman replied, "Everyone knew they were skating on thin ice. They decided to skate on thin ice to make money." Quote. She added that Sherman looked confident that the XRP token is a security under the Howey test. However, he called the same test relatively ancient in his opening remarks. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, is trying to block the holders of Ripple, XRP, from helping to protect Ripple and prohibit attorney John E. Deaton from any further participation in the proceedings. In its official objection submitted on Tuesday, the regulator, together with lawyer John E. Deaton, opposed the decision to recognize 1,746 XRP holders as amici curiae. Amici, plural. Amici curiae means friend of the court, an individual or organization who is not a party to a court case, but who is allowed to help the court by providing information, experience or ideas. In this case, in support of Ripple protection. Deaton has 3,252 affidavits signed by token holders, which essentially state that they are victims of an SEC lawsuit against Ripple as a result of lost profits. The holders claim in written testimony that they either did not take legal responsibility for the purchase of XRP, or bought tokens for utilitarian purposes and not for investment purposes, or did not buy on the basis of promises made by the company and its representatives. However, in its objection to XRP holders, the commission stated that they were trying to act beyond strictly legal issues. SEC writes, Mavant does not offer instruction on legal issues. Instead, they want to present arguments based on 3,252 affidavits, confirming certain facts. Quote, the commission cited Deaton's alleged threats against former Securities and Exchange Commission Chairman Jay Clayton as grounds for firing him from his amicus position. The Securities and Exchange Commission included an edited letter to Judge Torres dated June 7, quoting a YouTube video from 2021 in which Deaton stated that he may have to come up and slap profanity to former chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission Jay Clayton. Quote, holders of XRP and Deaton as amici must submit a public response to the SEC's objection by July 25. Ripple is a blockchain company that issues the XRP token. The SEC said in an ongoing court case that began in 2020 that Ripple and its executives Brad Garlinghouse and Christian Larson sold XRP as unregistered securities. Deaton questions SEC's treatment of McCaleb. Meanwhile, Deaton stated that the SEC inconsistently applied the law against Ripple, Garlinghouse and Larson. On Tuesday, in a tweet, the lawyer explained that if the SEC really considered XRP as security, it would have filed an injunction against Ripple and issued an order to stop and refrain from selling its tokens to two executives and Jed McCaleb. Ripple co-founder Jed McCaleb has sold 9 billion XRP since leaving the company in 2014. The SEC claims that #XRP itself is a security, and anyone who sells it violates Section 5 of the Securities Act. The Securities and Exchange Commission claims that at Ripple, at garlinghouse and at Chris Larsen SF, enriched themselves at the expense of investors and demands recovery of $1.3 billion from these defendants. The outcome of this case may determine whether XRP is a security. If the judge rules in favor of the SEC, this may become a precedent necessary for the Commission to file a lawsuit against other crypto projects that sold tokens similarly to Ripple. Having committed tens of thousands of violations in the past, we promise not to do any more in the future. Is that enough to get you off the hook for enforcement? Quote, essentially, the chair noted that crypto exchanges in which XRP token was trading during the period in question should all be sued. Sherman asked in the hearing. The SEC has gone after XRP tokens for trading illegally as security. However, none of the exchanges that earlier listed XRP has been sued. Sherman also mentioned that it appears that the SEC is going after the small fish rather than the big fish. The big fish, exchanges, have completed tens of thousands of XRP transactions, meaning they illegally traded securities. During the hearing, an SEC representative was given a chance to respond to the questions raised by Sherman. Gurbir Grewal, the SEC enforcement director, said he can't respond to what matters we are looking at or not looking at. However, he highlighted that the SEC brought charges against Poloniex for dealing with unregistered securities. Grewal mentioned that the regulator has already strengthened the crypto-focused enforcement teams but said it's inappropriate to make further comments. There is an ongoing case between the SEC and Ripple that began sometime in 2020. The regulator accused Ripple of not registering XRP worth around $1.4 billion as security, but the Ripple network has maintained that its XRP token is merely a utility token used in payments and not simply a speculative asset. A few weeks ago, Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse noted that their case with the SEC had gone exceedingly well. However, he also mentioned that the network would leave the US if they lost the court case. Ripple is not the only crypto network to face a spat against the SEC. Last September, the SEC threatened Coinbase with legal actions for launching any crypto-focused lending services. Coinbase intended to establish a lending program that would allow users to earn interest. However, the SEC declared that this new product would require government registrations. Others like Binance, BitMEX, Poloniex, and Robinhood also found themselves on the wrong side of the SEC. Projects planning to launch crypto-focused spot ETFs are still struggling since the SEC is constantly rejecting every application. The current price of XRP for today you can see yourself on the screens, and the trading volume for 24 hours is $1,294,436,065 US. We are updating our XRP price in US dollars in real time. XRP has dropped 4.08% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.